In this video, I'll show you how to use a supercharging cable to charge the Lithium 6000 and demonstrate how its uninterrupted power supply functions works. Insert the supercharging cable into the power port. The Lithium 6000 automatically turns on and starts charging. With supercharging, the input ramps up to 3600 watts, significantly reducing the charging time. Now, let's see how uninterrupted power supply function works. I plug PC monitor, PC tower, work lights into the outlets. Both L1 and L2 now have the loads that cannot be uninterrupted. If the power is interrupted, the PC will restart. Next, I'll turn off the main breaker to simulate a grid power outage. The input power stops. The PC and work lights continue running without interruption. Now, I'll turn the main breaker back on to restore the grid power. The input power resumes, and the PC and work lights continue working without interruption. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and for more tutorials and videos, make sure to follow us at Nature's Generator.